Kundalini Yoga for Sacral Chakra, Unblocking, Balancing and Strengthening. In this video, I will be sharing with you the problems and the solutions to unblock your sacral chakra, and that will help you a lot to recover from the symptoms of Kundalini and any other energetic disturbances in the sacral region of your body that leads to digestive problems, that leads to many other problems. So this video is exclusively for my students who are already in the project. If you are watching this video, then start implementing these immediately once you watch this video, and you will get the results from your issues. If you are a viewer, then also this video is going to help you. If you are also suffering from some of the symptoms that I will mention in this video, physical symptoms primarily I am talking about, and energetic symptoms. So these symptoms will be discussed only to ensure that if you are going through spiritual awakening journey or Kundalini awakening journey, then you don't need to suffer anymore, and you can implement these techniques right away and you will be benefited from it. Alright, so let's get started. Sacral chakra blockages. Why you are experiencing sacral chakra blockages? First of all, you need to know this. The reasons for sacral chakra blockages are many, and some of the prominent reasons are: you are not participating in life, you are disconnected from life, you have depression, you have loneliness, you have agony, you have sadness, you suffer from relationship issues, you suffer from the celebration of life energy. Also, if you are facing problems with your root chakra blockages, then also the impact of root chakra blockage is on the sacral chakra. So I have created another video for root chakra unblocking. I advise you, if you are regularly watching these videos or a student of the project, then work on these chakras step by step. There will be 8 videos for each chakra, and each video will help you for unblocking that chakra. Each technique will help you unblock that chakra if you practice it regularly. So you can apply it in sequence or randomly based on the blockages you are facing. But you must know that if you are connected to me as a guru, then only you can get customized programs for you. So for that reason, we have Kundalini Yoga projects that you can participate. It may be a 100 days project or more than that, based on intensity of learning you want to take. And if you join these projects, then you will be getting my direct guidance to you, and I will be teaching you all the Kundalini Yoga related to your chakra unblocking, energy channel clearance, and that includes sacral chakra as well. So this video is specific to sacral chakra and its problems and solutions. So watch it till the end to learn the techniques, and you can apply the technique along with me while watching this video to get the best results. The duration you can increase based on your capacity or need, but other than that, you can first hand try with me while you are watching this video to implement it correctly. Let's move to the next segment. This segment, I am primarily focusing on the physical and the mental health issues concerned with sacral chakra blockages. To show you the problems of sacral chakra blockages. First of all, I will sit in Vajrasan to let you know what is the region of your body which is involved with sacral chakra. So the region from your navel till your pelvic floor is the region of sacral chakra. Below that is the region of root chakra. This sacral chakra is the region of water element in the body. The root chakra is connected with earth element. So for that, a lot of grounding is required. But for sacral chakra, a lot of technique or the solutions lies in increasing the water content in your body. You need to intake regular water so that digestion can improve. Your stomach region, your kidneys, your first part of the small intestine, all these things and most of the digestive system which are located in this region is affected. So you may have acidity problem, you may have problem with vomiting, nauseatic feeling most of the time, or you may be feeling more hunger or less hunger, overeating problem. You are primarily sad and that is causing the problem in your sacral chakra region. You don't have relationship to follow. Someone whom you can trust. There are trust issues in relationship. You cannot participate in life. You feel loneliness, agony. You feel social anxiety. You cannot participate with other people. You are not an extrovert. You suddenly become introvert. So all these problems lead to your digestive problem, and when your digestion is involved, then you suffer from many other diseases like insomnia, because your digestion is not happening well, your weight is getting reduced considerably, suddenly 10 kgs, 20 kgs, you are getting reduced in 6 months, 3 months period. So all these things are leading to the sacral chakra and blockages. It has karmic connections too, and you need to know that I do past life regression to free you from your karmic blockages carried forward from past birth. So this video is specific to the techniques that will help you specifically if you apply the technique. So I will move on to the technique. I will teach you one technique in this because that is a technical one. But if you do it well, then you will be benefited from it. Alright. So let's move on to the technique. The technique that I am going to teach you for sacral chakra, unblocking, balancing and strengthening is Dhanurasana, or the Kundalini Yoga is, name of the Kundalini Yoga is Dhanurasana or bow pose. In this pose, first you need to lie down on your belly on the ground and spread your legs totally. Whenever you do Kundalini Yoga, when you are doing IGG Kundalini Yoga, make sure that you are stretching your body to the optimum level. Means your toes should stretch, your spine should stretch, your spine curve should be maintained, your knee should be locked. How to maintain the knee lock? You just straighten it. This knee lock, when you push the knee backward, then the knee lock is maintained. So even in this position you can do the knee lock. So when you are lying down in this position, if you are having extra fats in your body, then it may be difficult for you to do this pose. Still try to do it slowly. You don't need to rush to this pose. You can do it very slowly. Now, how to do it? How to start it? First try to lift your legs. First you lift one leg. Make sure that it is bending from the knee, and then you lift the another leg slowly and bend it towards the knee. Once you are sure that both your legs are folded from the knee, then you try to touch one of the legs, feet in this position, and also try to hold the another knee from this position. And now, when you are in this position, you try to pull your legs in the opposite direction so that a bow is created, and you lift your chest from this region and try to stretch your full body in this position and try to be in this position for some time. Keep doing belly breathing. Try to hold it as much as you can. And feel the stretches in your buttocks, root chakra, sacral chakra, and release. You cannot do it for longer duration initially, so just release and relax. You can relax like this. But again, repeat the second round of it. And relax. Like this, you can do 2 to 3 rounds or 5 rounds as you feel. But you will see that once you do this pose, all your energy channels are getting circulated with fresh prana. Blood circulation has increased primarily in this region. This region, the blood circulation will increase and you will feel the difference. For example, I am sweating right now. Why this sweating has come? Because the metabolism has increased. And this is the reason I am sweating. The heat in the body has increased. So your digestive problem is connected with heat not being produced in your body. Your Agni heat is low. So when you do this pose, your heat is increased. Along with this, there is another technique that I will introduce to you in some other video, because I want you to learn this, implement this. There are many yoga connected to increasing metabolism in the body, increasing the digestive tract and everything, and that you need to learn step by step. Your brain has to learn it, and for that it requires continuous repetitions. Alright, so this technique is for everyone and you can implement it as and when you feel. If you want to learn Kundalini Yoga from me for your physical fitness, for your chakra unblocking, for anything, you can contact us. The email ID of our team is mentioned in the description. Rest everything you will know once you get back to our team regarding what kind of problems you are having, and rest, once you come to me, I will transform you, that is for sure. So if you want to live life, then start participating in life. But before that, be ready. This Kundalini Yoga will make you ready for participating in life. You need energy to participate in life. You need to contribute to relationship. When you do this, then you will be ready to contribute to relationship. And then you will get the exchange of that. Agony will go. Loneliness will go. Why? Because you will be able to communicate with people. So that's all for now. Have a great day and see you soon with another chakra. Thank you.